This video is my public commitment to achieve $500,000 in revenue in 2025. I started my business in February 2023, full of hope. But fast forward to now and, well, let's just say the results haven't been what I envisioned. Close to zero revenue, all services shut down, team gone, back to square one. My investor even told me, "You're too slow. If you keep going like this, nothing will change in a year." That was my wake-up call, and it's why I'm making this video. By the end of 2025, my goal is to hit $500,000 in revenue, and I'm documenting the entire journey every single week to ensure I actually follow through. Let me be real. I was slow. I lacked execution. I was easily distracted, making excuses. And guess what? It cost me, my teammates left, and revenues tanked. I ended up nowhere. I knew I needed to change completely. I realized the problem wasn't the idea itself, but poor execution. So I decided to analyze what drives execution. And I found 4 key elements. The first one is high expectations. The level of output you expect directly impacts the effort you put in. The approach someone who expect to make $10,000 a month would be totally different from that of someone who expect to make $1,000 a month. Second one is the reward. You need to feel like the work is worth it. It's about having a sense of purpose and progress. You need to design the reward so that it is sweet enough for you to push through towards each checkpoint or milestone. The third one is setting a system. It's not willpower that makes you achieve your goals. You need a system that keeps you on track, whether it's self-discipline or external pressure. If you want to achieve a goal, you should put yourself in the environment that either forces or makes it easier for you to do the work. The last one is to break tasks down. Let's say you want to start a YouTube channel. Instead of saying make a video, your task list should look something like 1. Write down what you want to say. 2. Record the voice. 3. Edit the video. 4. Make thumbnail. 5. Make title, and so on. The key is to break down your goal into smaller, manageable steps, because overwhelm kills progress. So I've built a system around these 4 principles to ensure I hit that $500,000 target. First, with my expectation. I'm publicly committing to this goal and sharing my progress every single week through these videos. This creates a strong expectation for myself to deliver. The reward. It's the views, the potential customers I can reach, the connections I can make, and ultimately the satisfaction of achieving my goal. The system. By sharing my plan with the internet, I'm accountable to anyone watching. I can't hide if I skip a week or fail to deliver. You'll be able to see if I'm keeping my promises. Breaking tasks down. Instead of focusing on the overwhelming $500,000, I'm focusing on weekly milestones, broken down into daily tasks. This weekly video is one of those manageable chunks. No fancy editing, just raw, honest updates. Each week I'll be sharing my process, how I come up with ideas, validate them, build them, learn from the process, and then iterate. This is about constant improvement, not perfection from day one. 2025 is my year of transformation. It's the year my business takes off, and I'm inviting you to join me on this journey. I know I've been slow. I'm changing that starting now. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to show up and do the work every single week. If you have similar goals, if you're also striving for something big, share it in the comments below. Let's hold each other accountable and inspire each other. Please subscribe so you can see me post weekly updates and keep me accountable. Thanks for watching. See you next week with my first progress update.